One of the easiest ways to make your home smarter is with a smart plug. They are inexpensive, versatile, and dead simple to use. Here are 3 smart ways to use them. Wait, did I turn off the curling iron? Instead of worrying all day that you left your curling iron on, plug it into a smart plug. Then you can remotely turn off the power anywhere you have your phone. If you have a coffee maker with an on-off switch, plug it into a smart plug. You can start brewing coffee by flipping the switch in the Smart Plugs app, or you can schedule it to start brewing at a specific time. Before we start, I have to tell you that if you plug a space heater into a power strip, an extension cord, or a smart plug, there's going to be an increased risk of fire. Proceed at your own risk and always check the owner's manual for any safety information. All that said, plugging a space heater into a smart plug is a really great way to make your home feel cozy when you arrive. For this, I highly recommend that you flip the switch on your space heater as you get close to home, rather than have it scheduled to come on at a certain time. You can also use a smart plug to automatically turn off your space heater after you fall asleep, so you no longer have to get up and shut it off manually. Just schedule it to turn off sometime after your usual bedtime. Make sure to check how much power your space heater uses and confirm that your smart plug can handle that load. For instance, this space heater uses 1500 watts and 12.5 amps, and this smart plug is rated for 1800 watts and 15 amps, so it can handle the space heater's power needs. As always, proceed with caution, use your best judgment, and avoid letting your space heater run unsupervised for more than a few minutes. For more smart home tips, head to cnet.com/smarthome.